Today I'd like to talk to you about how to turn 4 hours of your week into a multiple six-figure income stream. So first, you're going to start off by studying to take your test. It's going to take you about 7 to 10 days to study and take your test. You're going to schedule your test date. Once you schedule your test date, you're going to go into a testing center. You're going to pass your test. Once you pass your test, you're going to call us. We're going to help you get contracted with all these different carriers. We have over 50 different carriers available to you in the United States. Carriers like Foresters, Athene, Mass Mutual, Guggenheim, Allianz, National Life Group, AIG, Silac, Mutual of Omaha, Fidelity, and Guaranteed. Then we're actually going to do a financial literacy training class for you. Once you do the financial literacy training class, we're going to teach you a marketing master class. And once you have the marketing master class down, then you're going to go out and you're going to start generating business, and you're going to write one policy per month. So here you have a 20-year-old writing one policy per month, and she takes the policy that she writes, just one policy per month. She puts it into an index strategy, into an index fund, and by age 65, she has invested $270,000. By age 65, she's pulling out $145,000 of tax-free income. By age 70, she's withdrawn $730,000. By age 80, she's withdrawn $2,200,000. By age 90, she's withdrawn $3.6 million. And by age 100, she's withdrawn $5.1 million. And this is actually all tax-free income. So for more information like this, or just to find out more in general, click the link in the bio and schedule a 15-minute free strategy session. I'd be more than happy to answer any and all your questions.